Welcome to our YouTube channel on Geog Discovery. The topic going look today is rectangle. So see here friends, what is the area of rectangle whose length is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter? This length is 20 meter and breadth is 10 meter. What is the area of this rectangle, right? So see here, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. This is the length of this rectangle. This is the length of this rectangle, right? And this is the breadth of this rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So now see here, area of rectangle is equal to L into B, means length into breadth. So a length is 20 meter and breadth is 10 meter. So 20 into 10 will be 200 and meter into meter is meter square. So area of rectangle is equal to 200 meter square. If they ask what is the perimeter of this rectangle, so what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Now see here, what is 2? This is 2 length plus 2 breadth. See here, 2L plus 2B. So 2 is common, so this is 2 and L plus B. L plus B. So it is 2 into L plus B. What is length? Length is 20 meter. So 2 into 20 meter plus what is breadth? Breadth is 10 meter. So 10 meter. Now 20 plus 10 will be 30 meter. So see here, this is a just multiply, right? So 30 into 2 will be 60 meter. So perimeter of this rectangle is 60 meter, right? So friends, move to question number 2. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is the area of black zone? What is the area of the black zone? Now see here, our target to find this area, right? This area, black zone. But see here friends, total this is a rectangle, right? Suppose here O. So ये F O E, ये rectangle, ये F E O is a rectangle, right? Total area is rectangle. And see here this part. This is also a rectangle. Total length is given 24 centimeter, right? This is another rectangle, B rectangle, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, BCOD, BCOD. So what is the area of rectangle AFEO? AFEO is equal to length into breadth. So R1 rectangle of area of rectangle, area of R1 is equal to length is 24 meter into breadth is 20 meter. So 22 is 48. 480 meter square. Area of area of BCOD, area of BCOD R2 is equal to, total length is 20 and breadth is 24 minus 15, because here 15 meter, what will be here? So 24 minus 15, so it will be 9 meter, and it is 20 minus 9, it will be 11 meter. So 11 meter into 9 meter, right? So total will be 99 meter, right? So see here friends, area of total rectangle is 480 meter square, and this rectangle area of 99 meter. Our target to find only this zone, so this zone only, right? So subtract, we will subtract 480 meter square minus 99 meter square. So it will be 1 and 18 again 9, so it is 3 meter square. So this is the answer of this question, right? Now see here once again, our target to find only black zone, but this is cut, so total will be here, this is total a rectangle and this area is missing. So what is area of this, what is area of this rectangle? So 11 into 9 meter is equal to 99 meter square, and total area of this rectangle is 480 meter square. So 480 meter square minus this area, total area is 480 meter square, and this area will be subtract. So this area is equal to 99 meter square, so 480 square meter minus 99 meter square will be 391 meter square. So this is answer of this question. Okay, so thanks for friends watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Thanks.